Let's talk for a minute about those disposable cartridges that are used in most hand soap dispensers today. Did you know the contents of those cartridges? It's generally around 98% water. Yes, the active's content ranges from 1 to 4%. This means that over 95% of the packaging is wasted. 95% of the fuel used to ship these products is also wasted. 95% of your storage space is wasted. Worse yet, these practices are environmentally unsustainable. So, what's the answer? How-To Platforms has designed a dilutable hand soap and a delivery platform so that you can refill your soap dispensers on the spot without all this waste. And you cut your costs by 90% or more. Often, the hand soap dispensers use a 1-liter refill. Here is what that 1 liter of hand soap looks like. Here is what it looks like with the water taken out. Yes, water is typically 95 to 98% of the product. Water, and all the packaging you are throwing away, is also 90% of your cost. Environmentally, that is not sustainable. Besides, aren't you tired of all those complaints about the empty hand soap dispensers? As a comparison, here is a pint bottle of H2 and a second pint bottle with 20% taken out, to represent the amount of water in the product. Rest assured that we have an antibacterial fungal agent in H2 that will protect the used solution and the reservoir from contamination. This is how we create a 25-to-1 concentrate, resulting in 90% savings to you. Of course, this results in amazing sustainability since we've eliminated 95% of the packaging. If you have cartridge-type dispensers, you can convert them to refillable reservoirs simply by drilling a 3/8-inch hole in the top. Fill the cartridges from the How-To platform and plug the holes with the plugs that we include in our installation kit. When you have made the decision to convert to the How-To Clean Green program, it is a good idea to replace these dispensers with quality refillable dispensers. Now, let's take a look at that hand soap reservoir. Here is a typical refillable hand soap dispenser. This one appears to have been designed to make it difficult to fill from a bottle. But it's easy with the How-To filler head. Here it is being filled with How-To hand soap. The patent-pending filler head makes filling easy. Notice the lack of mess. Not even much foam in the reservoir. However, How-To hand soap makes plenty of stable foam when used. Your customers will love it. We will come back to this in 3 minutes to see how much of that foam stays around. 3 minutes later, the foam is still standing with no liquid running across the surface. Your customers will be very pleased. There is no reason to pay a fortune to throw away all those refills when you can have this result for 1/10 the cost. The How-To Clean Green Plus platform will cut your hand soap costs by 90%, while cutting shipping and disposal waste by 95%. At the same time, you will achieve huge savings in labor for all restroom maintenance operations. The platform even dramatically improves the cleanliness of restrooms, eliminating objectionable smells and sanitation issues. Use the QR code to the left to order your first platform and supply of solutions.